With only 25 days left for Lok Sabha polls, candidates of political parties are emerging slowly. National Secretary of RPI Athawale Maheshwar Thounaojam has announced that he will contest as RPI Athawale candidate for Lok Sabha polls with an ideology to protect Manipur. The National General Secretary made this announcement at RPI office at Kaisampat Sisipur parking. Maheshwar Thounaojam further said that after India became independent, many political parties have emerged. However, statements written in the manifesto were not fulfilled. He said his party members have not obstructed him from making any speech on public platforms regarding the ongoing crisis in Manipur. He continued that he decided to contest the election with an ideology to save Manipur.
Hingadra sigadra haibagi isang imale bakse lakpa matam sida karigi ideology no aduna hojiti ideology se kaino imale bakan bidang koigadam ne koi vision se dukha koigadam ne main oina haitare kai development ki simultaneously in tawbaga ya bangata ne ai thabak tawbada freedom phangba ne bain pamjari di karina yesalakta ba adu nganganu ata nganganu adu thong nanga changjalu do kaino adu thong thili do kaino adu da tawraga di ma saurani ne adu saurani ne haire pase adu thing koi oraga di ai vote lep trasu yae aduna vote mai pak badu dang na de bai pandam di vote mai pa amatungda ready 1 2 3 go na changi badu ne adu changbadu da ai ni irei chagi damakta yellow mi damakta imale baki damakta achumba ngakpa tawrakpa sendukna ba tawrakpa matamda likun changaga tawrakpa matamda any thabam changdi ye pirakta badune ai yelakta bari yengbani ai thatra ma thoise ai gi RPI se yauraga ai party tok primam khambirangani secretary RPI waisari ai ngange tawre ai changjale ai yela pra yengbani ai phone tawra pra yengbani national president aungtang di phone tawra me ai kitang hena ngang matamde si se kitang yengbi ba yagadra hai matamda sar si du ta dai party tok gen hai matamda ngangon hai re adun takpadi ai na thabak taw matamda ai thong thinba matamda achumba kitang tawra matamda hui lai ba RPI ne yela aroi hai base aduna ai ngonda phawre hai tare.